Adjust restroom cleaning routines to match the demands of a 5-day-a-week account by prioritizing daily touchpoints while scheduling deeper tasks less frequently. For daily service, focus on high-contact surfaces first. Disinfect door handles, faucet handles, soap dispensers, flush levers, and hand dryer buttons using an appropriate disinfectant with the correct dwell time and clear wipe technique. Empty and reline trash liners, replace consumables, and do a quick sweep of floors, then spot mop any visible soil to avoid buildup between deep cleanings. Use a visible checklist and time block each stall to keep service consistent and auditable. This also helps staff hit every fixture without rushing. Rotate deeper tasks across the week, so one day includes toilet exterior and base scrubbing, another day handles partition tops and vents, and another day covers grout touch-up and floor scrubbing in high-traffic zones. Inspect for mineral scale and soap scum daily and document any persistent areas so you can apply stronger descalers or initiate more frequent deep treatments where needed. Train staff to use color-coded cloths and single-direction wiping patterns to reduce cross-contamination and to note maintenance issues like leaks, slow drains, or damaged dispensers immediately. Common mistakes include treating every task as equally urgent, which wastes time and money. Fix this by triaging tasks into daily touch points and weekly deep actions and following a rotating schedule. Another issue is inconsistent disinfectant use where dwell time is ignored, leading to ineffective sanitation. Solve that by training teams on product labels and using timers or smartphone reminders for contact time. A third problem is neglecting documentation, which makes trends and recurring problems invisible. Remedy this by using simple checklists, short daily notes on problem areas, and a weekly review so adjustments can be made before issues escalate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors suited to frequent service cleaning and ongoing maintenance needs and helps contractors find steady work with accounts that require regular visits. We also host an active discussion community where our members share tips, contractor experiences, and recommendations that help everyone maintain cleaner restrooms on a reliable schedule.